In this example, I will show you how to insert a new part in an existing assembly. In order to indicate the place for inserting the new part, then, in the specification tree, select the required product, which is the product one. Click the new part icon. Because we have a geometry that exists in the assembly, the new part origin point dialog box is displayed, which is proposing two options to locate the new part. Now, if you want to locate the part origin point on another component, then choose the Yes option. And the second option is to click No, which means is to use the origin point of the parent. Then let's use No in order to locate the part origin with respect to the product one origin point. As you see, the new part is inserted in the specifications tree, which is unlike the product documents. It is identified by this part design document icon. In other words, it includes axis system shape